Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with a ZT0640 or 640 for a quick review, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you want. That's going to be awesome. Let's check this out real quick, because we got 3.6-inch long cutting edge for this fella, and the handle is going to be 4.75. The overall length is going to be 8.5 inches for this collaboration between Ernest Emerson, and Zero Tolerance ZT. This guy has a pretty cool set of features. It has carbon fiber overlays, it has titanium scales, as an ambidextrous pocket clip, and as you can see, it looks good. I mean, it looks really, really good. This guy is running on phosphorus bronze washers. The action is glassy, smooth, is super pleasant to deploy with the thumb disc. You know, look at that. This is just like a gorgeous action on washers. 100%. It's 20 CV steel, as you can see, dual tone finish, has some nice grind lines on the primary bevel and stone washed on the flat. You get this pocket clip, which is probably the only nitpick I have on this knife. What is this? Who designed this clip? I don't know what was thinking. It's ugly. I have to say it's not pretty. Okay, let's say it's not pretty. And it's not functional. I mean, yeah, you have to lift this and just maybe, but look at the entrance ramp. It's not gonna work. So this is probably not working. You can, of course, like replace that with some other clip. It's gonna be gorgeous because this is a very cool knife. I love the action. I love the grip. The sound is gorgeous. It's solidly built. I very like the look. Probably not a fan of the green carbon fiber here, but this, guys, can even kind of work almost as a front flipper. Just a little wrist flick and you have a front flipper on washers and a disc stud. It's really cool, guys. I really love this clip point blade 20 CV. Let's quickly check the weight on this guy, because there is no internal skeletonization, so that's gonna reflect into the 4.44 ounces that you're gonna have to bear in your pocket when you are carrying this Emerson collaboration with ZT. So there you have it. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you want to know more, you can always check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.